How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Mazda MX-5. We're going to be taking the door panel off. All you should need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic pry tool. First we'll go ahead and remove our covers. You're going to have one behind the door handle. I like to wedge the plastic pry tool in between the cover and the lock. Kind of pop it out like so. Just a plastic little cover. Usually there's going to be one in the grab handle as well. This car is actually missing it, but there should be like a little rubber piece that's in there. So now we'll go ahead and remove our screws. You're going to have the one behind the door handle. Going to have one behind the grab handle. Alright, now that we have our two screws out, we can go ahead and grab our plastic pry bar again. There's usually a little opening towards the bottom of the door panel. This rubber that goes around the door panel actually doesn't come off with it, so you're going to stick your pry bar in between the plastic and the rubber. Kind of just find you a spot and pry. Make enough room for your fingers. Kind of work your edges. Kind of like so. Now whenever you take the door panel off, you'll kind of wiggle it up. The door handle might go with it, so just kind of be mindful. So this one didn't, but they just kind of slips off like so. And I'll get a better camera angle for you guys. We're going to have two wiring harnesses for the window switches. Alright, here's the door panel. Like I just showed you guys, we already popped out the door handle. Now I want to go ahead and show you guys these switches. There's two of them on the bottom. I went ahead and popped one to kind of give you an example. There's two little push pins. You're going to have one here and then one on the opposite side. The same thing, just push the tab, pull out, and voila. So that is how you take off the door panel on a Mazda MX-5. Thanks for watching.